Perplexity released its own version of the next evolution of AI. Perplexity Computer runs multiple agents with various capabilities under one system. We're talking reasoning, searching, building, memory, coding, and delivery. It's a general purpose digital worker that creates and executes entire workflows end to end, capable of running for hours or even months. When you go to Perplexity, it's in the left navigation. There's an icon here for computer. Right now, it's only available for the max plan, which is $200. Eventually, they'll push it to the pro plan, but we'll take a look at some examples. This is a market atlas where you can analyze the top companies, including their financials and operations data. Here are a couple of visualizations where we can analyze its performance. If we go to operations, it gives us company-specific information. So for NVIDIA here, we have CUDA, registered developers, the GPU market, and other information. If we go for Alphabet, we have data on the search market share, Google Cloud market share, YouTube monthly active users, and Waymo autonomous driving data. This next example is a rent versus buy calculator. Of course, this uses a website builder and a research assistant to look up housing data. We scroll down and we can find the app that we can interact with here. So if we click into it, then we can input parameters like our zip code, and we'll just say 2007 for DC, home price. We can toggle or configure any of these sliders here, property tax rate, down payment, increase or decrease. We scroll down and we can find simulation results that tells us whether renting or buying would be better. Here's one where we're researching the US federal budget and exporting that to an Excel workbook. So it's looking for the OMB table, Office of Management and Budget, and it's downloading the links, gathering all the data. As it's gone through these websites, it figures out what's in that data and checks various documents. It uses Python to process and clean the data and export the data to an Excel workbook. And here's a list of all the information, all the data in the workbook with its various sheets. If we scroll down, we can find the spreadsheet here and we can click on it to view the data and verify it for ourselves, and then we can export it. For the next example, it uses agents to research global productivity, policy, and markets. If we scroll down, we can find a preview of the PDF report with 18 pages that you can read through and export. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.